In this video, I will explain how to simplify rational expressions. So I have three examples for us to work through here. So to simplify a rational expression, that means we need to factor the numerator and factor the denominator, and then cancel out common factors. So let's take a look at the first example. We have 5x squared plus 20x over 7x plus 28. So to factor the numerator, we just want to look at what terms can we pull out of, or what common factors can we pull out of each of the terms in the numerator. So that would be a 5x. So let's do that. Let's take out a 5x, and we'd be left with x plus 4. So that's how we can factor the numerator. Now let's take a look at the denominator. What can we pull out of 7x and 28? What do they have in common? That would be a 7. So we'll pull out a 7, and that leaves us with x plus 4. Now notice that when we do this, we have some common terms in both the numerator and the denominator, the x plus 4. So we can just go ahead and cancel those out, and we'll be left with 5x over 7. And that is our final answer. That's how we simplify that rational expression. So let's take a look at the second. We have x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. So in the numerator, in x squared minus 4, we can factor that to be x plus 2 and x minus 2. And what we'll find is if we multiply x plus 2 times x minus 2, we would just end up with x squared minus 4. So we haven't changed anything there, we're just factoring it. And on the denominator, we have x squared minus 2x minus 8. So to factor that, we can think what terms multiply to negative 8 and add to negative 2. So that'd be a negative 4 and a positive 2. So we'll write x minus 4, x plus 2. And once again, we'll see that in the numerator and the denominator, there are terms that we can cancel out. So this x plus 2 will just get canceled out, and we're left with x minus 2 over x minus 4. And that is our final answer on this one. Now let's take a look at the last one. X cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x over x squared minus 4x minus 12. Well, in the numerator, we see that each term has an x, so we can go ahead and pull out that x. That leaves us with x squared plus 5x plus 6. And in the denominator, we want to think what numbers can multiply to negative 12 and add to negative 4. So let's see, that would be x minus 6 and x plus 2. So we're almost done, but we still need to factor this polynomial up here in the numerator. So we're thinking what numbers can multiply to positive 6 and add to positive 5? That would be 2 and 3. So we can write x plus 2 and x plus 3. And in the denominator, we still just have this x minus 6 and x plus 2. So we're looking for common terms that we can cancel out in both the numerator and denominator. We can see this x plus 2 can be canceled out, and that's all that we can cancel out. So our final answer will be x times x plus 3 over x minus 6. And that will be our final answer. Thanks for watching.